River in Meghalaya, known for its clear, transparent water and divine natural beauty. The Dawki River in Shillong, the wonder of the northeast, is well known because of its mesmerizing beauty that surrounds the place and looks just like a paradise for a nature lover. The river is called Wah Umngot, flows in the village Mawlynnong, Dawki at the bottom of the Jaintia Hills, and is very closely attached to the border of India and Bangladesh. It is 100 km from Shillong, located in Meghalaya. Dawki is a small town and is considered one of the cleanest rivers in India with sustainable tourism. The place Meghalaya itself is filled with natural beauty, which includes beautiful waterfalls, multiple lakes, and forests that are really majestic, pine-covered stunning hills, abundant green trees. Dawki River is the river clear as crystal, where one could also experience twittering birds and fluttering butterflies with colorful stones in the river. It has become the most visited tourist place as people from all over the world visits the Dawki River to enjoy and experience the heavenly beauty of nature. The state of Meghalaya is also a place of the rich cultural and traditional heritage of tribes like Khasi and Garo Jaintia, along with scenic natural beauty. The water in the Dawki River is so clear and transparent that the surface looks like crystal glass, making the fishes, snakes inside the river visible, and the boats in the river seems to float on the water and in the air, sometimes creates an illusion. Dawki River as the cleanest river in the country. It has also appreciated the people of Meghalaya for maintaining cleanliness, resulting in a beautiful appearance of the river, and wished that all the rivers in India could be as clean as the Dawki River. The village Mawlynnong, where the Dawki River is located, in Asia's cleanest village, and the river is a natural division between the hills of Khasi and Jaintia. Boating in the river is an excellent experience. Camping, swimming, and fishing are some of the fun outdoor activities here. You can indulge in one of the most thrilling ziplines and rappel down one of the many striking rock formations that line up the Dawki. A bridge that spans the Umngot allows for fantastic pictures and perspectives, and there are picnic spots near the river. There are plenty of recognized resorts and camps in Dawki and surrounding areas. Ensure that all your water activities are done with expert supervision and necessary safety gear. Thank you all for watching the video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.